truly the world's most powerful one with 2.15 gigahertz. And this is something which is the topmost variant of Snapdragon. We have not at all compromised with any lesser variant of Snapdragon 820. We only offer the best, and Snapdragon's absolutely top configuration. Happy to bring it in India, the Max 2. It's got 6 GB of RAM. You like it?
Yes.
6 GB of RAM.
Yes.
40% faster performance than any other competitor in the market. We love the Lumex, but the second generation offers so much more. 17% faster than the earlier Lumex. Flash memory 4 times faster than the earlier Lumex. This is the jump leap to the next generation phones. It also has an Adreno 530 GPU, which as you might expect will be wonderful for 3D gaming. With 6 GB RAM, you can do wonders with this GPU. It offers a 40% jump in performance, much better than what the 430 Adreno was capable of in the earlier versions. Also, it reduces your power consumption by as much as 40%, letting you go on and on to enjoy your product. And again, we are hoping that this will again push the limits of the industry by providing 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. This is really cool. And truly a new era of performance where RAM is 3 times more than the iPhone 6s Plus. This is Lumex 2 for you, the super fans out there. I'm so delighted. The N2 score, 143,000. It's a new record. It's more than 1,000 points higher than our other competitors. And the display, it also scored some bit of a improvement.
2K display, why?
5.7 inch screen in 2K with super fine retina display. So it's reasonably big size and it will give you enough space to enjoy your 3D gaming, all the content, all that TG mentioned about movies, music, concerts, watch it on the Max 2.
Full HD है.
Take a look at the difference between a standard definition and a 2K. This is pretty apparent over here, a standard and a 2K.
अच्छा ये ज़्यादा हो गया.
And the ultra wide color gaming.
इतना नहीं होता.
This follows the same trend. We have got 95% NTSC color gaming versus the 72% for the iPhone 6 Plus. When it comes to the display technology of Apple, let me say that they have made very, very small improvements since 2010 when they introduced iPhone 4 with the Retina display. Just look at some of these numbers, and you will see that Lumex is on a completely different level. This is also such a big boost for the fledgling new coming VR industry, because one of the biggest issues in VR industry and manufacturing is high definition. Sometimes users can actually get dizzy because when you're watching VR content, if it is not of the best stellar picture quality, you can have some dizziness over there. But with this Super Retina display in Lumex 2, this will solve all the problems. The 2K definition and Type-C fast transmission will enable you to enjoy VR completely. Let's now move to the camera of Lumex 2. We have adopted a 21 megapixel in front with 6P rear camera for Lumex 2. Now of course it comes with the blazingly fast PDAF standards. Even better is the 2.0 aperture, which will allow you and all the super fans and everyone here for awesome low light photos. So you can go ahead, click anytime, click right away. It's also extremely clear, that to say the least. Also owing to the integrated optical image stabilization that protects all your images from smear and dim light, as you can see over here. The three highlights of taking pictures with Lumix 2: fast autofocus, steady shots, and ultra clear pictures. Actually, this is a very big improvement on the first generation
मतलब लेटो प्रो
Lumix.
नाम का कुछ भी
So
नहीं
you
है।
can imagine how good this camera is.
लेटो प्रो का कुछ
Just
नहीं
take a look at some of these pictures.
लेटो है।
These are really challenging pictures for a
प्रो
camera
क्या
to
क्या लेंगे
take.
स्नैपड्रैगन 852
हाँ यार।
कौन सा डालेंगे प्रोसेसर?
ओह
See how refined, how beautiful, how
क्या
real
भरोसा
life
इसकी-
colors are there in
कैमरा
this
अच्छा है
image.
इसका।
क्या भरोसा इसकी
21
है।
मेगापिक्सल का सोनी का है।
Let's move to another area which is very important and increasingly important as we become more and more
बात भी नहीं करता
technologically
उसने
advanced is the
हाँ
security.
सही बात है।
उसने बात भी नहीं करी।
We have got the world's first Sense ID security in this Lumix 2 with fingerprint recognition, which in the past was actually impossible to use with our fingerprint scanner when we had moisture or grease on the fingers, which is something which is pretty common in a country like India, hot and humid as it is today. So we have worked with the people at Qualcomm, with their engineers and our R&D teams, and we have developed the first Sense ID security, which allows the fingerprint scanner to be used to use its ultrasonic technology and gives you a biometric finger recognition even when there is a bit of grease and smear on the finger. Once again, I must say that with this breakthrough technology, we are leading the industry.
इसको लिखते हैं अब LED होता है नीचे का।
Let's move on to the battery.
उसमें नीचे LED है बस।
The Lumix 2 is the world's first smartphone to support a dual standard fast charging protocol. What it means? It means that it has got a quick charge 2.0 and a USB power delivery,
2.0 पे दे दो।
which in layman terms means that you get 3.5 hours of talk time with just 5 minutes of charge. Just 5 minutes of charge. That's amazing really. It's something which we have continuously done with the Echo products. Reversible connector is, you know what, our super phones come with the Type-C reversible connectors. It's much more user-friendly and saves a lot of time twisting and rotating the traditional cables that we have. You talked about everything: performance, display, camera, security, battery. What about the connectivity? So let's look at that. It's an all-carrier compatible. 200 plus countries and regions in the world, wherever literally you can travel, your Lumix 2 is connected. 1,000 plus carriers, 4 2G bands, 9 3G bands, and 16 4G bands. All of them seamlessly connect and bring you to the LUR ecosystem through Lumix 2. And of course, like I said earlier, like so many of you have been demanding, it's also multi-ready. So Lumix 2 is the flagship phone, so it's quite obvious that we would have packed it with some of the best features. Right? Dual band and dual antenna is one of them. Just means that Wi-Fi speeds are almost 4 times faster than our competitors who are on 2.4G band or on 5G band, where it is almost twice as fast. Let's look at the design.
डिजाइन सेम होगा।
Before we go there, let's look at some comparisons. The Lumix 2 is actually shorter in length than the iPhone 6s Plus, and yet it has got a bigger screen. So it's shorter in length, but the screen is bigger. Means our screen utilization ratio is much bigger. It's much more easier to hold it, and yet have a much higher screen picture in front of you. Also, it is narrower than the iPhone 6s Plus. It's narrower by 0.3 mm as compared to 6s Plus. And it's also feather light. It's not only 0.2 inch larger display, but 7 grams lighter than the iPhone 6s Plus.
हर चीज 6s Plus।
Thank you. Great.
हाँ प्राइस है।
Let's have a look at this phone. Live the future. Beautiful, isn't it?
बेइज्जती हो गई।
Okay. Let's look at some video.
ओ भाई 10 मिनट की बनी।
यार अब तुम लिमेंस ले लो या 1S ले लो 2 ले लो, पता ही नहीं चलेगा कौन सा क्या है।
हाँ ये बात तो है,
सब एक जैसे
सब एक जैसे है।
इसमें सर्कल कर दिया, नीचे थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस, कैमरा भी चेंज किया है।
कैमरा थोड़ा मोटा हो गया।
हाँ यार बाहर नहीं करना चाहिए था।
हाँ साइड में अच्छा रहता है, सही मतलब डिब्बे डिब्बे फोन है। आईफोन की तो साइड में कैमरा, लंबा फोन, लंबा लंबा फोन।